I'm Stephen Nash. I run All or Nothing Interiors and Interior Architecture, and we live in London. We've got a 1890s red brick cottage. Me and my wife like shutters. We wanted something that was modern, functionality-wise, hard-wearing, sort of easy to use, keep a traditional aesthetic. And Hillary's had two different types that we wanted to choose from. I've always liked the solid shutters, and my wife's always liked the slatted shutters, and we actually ended up going for a mix. The back of the house is due south, so it gets a lot of light, and it's a bit of a constant battle, or it was a bit of a constant battle, to keep light coming in without having just curtains shut all day and having to open them. So we've got the slatted louvers that we can basically angle however we want, keep light in but not have overbearing sun when it's hot. We went for solid shutters in the master bedroom, tier on tier, so we can keep the bottom closed pretty much all day long, so we can get out of bed, get dressed, not have to worry when we're getting out of the shower. Downstairs and in the landing and the hallway, we've gone for coloured shutters, yeah. I'm a massive fan of colour, so I'm constantly telling my clients now to paint ceilings as well as walls, and now you can have your shutters the same colour. We were actually super happy because Hillary's had lots of colours to choose from, and there was one that literally matched to the walls we already had painted. With the living room, I wanted the shutters to form part of the room. Hillary's had the exact style of solid shutter that I wanted, and Hillary's were able to colour match the specific colour. When they're closed, it looks like the room's sort of all-encompassing with the same moody feel. I just think it looks fantastic. The shutters were a great choice, yeah, love them, absolutely love them.